All right, we're back home. We had a good trip to Missouri, playing with RC airplanes and getting to ride in a real airplane. So cool. Thank you, John and Gretchen, for the invite. And if you guys have never checked out a YouTube channel called Flight Test, those guys are awesome. They're the nicest guys ever. They have RC airplanes, and they're at a real reasonable price. Really good airplane. So we're going to order the boys a couple RC planes here real soon. But today we got to finish up these chickens. So got the table cleaned up, got everything cleaned up. We got 60 birds that have been in here chilling at around 42 degrees for the last 3.5 days, I guess. So now it's ready to process them the rest of the way down and get them vacuum sealed up and frozen. And what's that new tool we just bought?
Meat tenderizer?
Yeah, I bought him a hammer. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna breast everything out, cut the legs off, cut the wings off, take the little back straps out, and then
with the hammer.
Yeah, then the rest of the carcass we're gonna break it down with the hammer so I can get it into like gallon-sized bags. Probably put 4 carcasses to like a gallon bag, hopefully. And Mallory will be making chicken broth out of it. So anyway, we're gonna get started processing these the rest of the way down. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. All right, so I got a big start. I've already done maybe half the birds or so, but as you can see, they're in here chilling at 42 degrees. They've been in there for about 4 days. Then what I've been doing is processing them the rest of the way down. So I've been cutting the legs and thighs off, the breast meat and the wings. Putting 4 breasts in a package. I'm using the Food Saver vacuum sealer and putting 4 breasts in a package. I'm doing 4 legs and thighs in a package. Then the wings, I'm waiting until I got about a pile of 20, putting them in a big bag like this as well. The carcasses, I'm saving 4 to a Ziploc bag and then wrapping it in a Walmart sack for chicken broth. The next day, I got about half the birds done yesterday. I'm gonna finish up today. I think we had about 60 birds. I think I'm gonna leave about 15 of them whole, and the rest of them I'm gonna process all the way down. The legs and thighs I'm keeping together, wings, and then I'm gonna breast them out, and then the carcasses we're gonna use for chicken broth. Started a batch of chicken broth last night. So I just encourage everyone, if you don't currently raise your own food, this is a little time consuming, but it's so worth it. Thanks for watching the video. If you're not currently subscribed to our channel, please do so, and like and share our videos. See you on the next one.